guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. I appreciate you. My name is Yadrissa, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be switching it up and showing you guys how to remove your semi-permanent dye from your wig or your bundles without using bleach. So the 4 products that I use today is I use baking soda, I use mane and tail shampoo, I also use a clarifying shampoo, and Dawn dish detergent. Yes, I use Dawn dish detergent as well. So if you want to see how I use these 4 products to get this wig to this color, see, I started off with a gray ombre wig, and I'm going to show you the color, how it looks. But this is the after. This is the color that I got it after I removed the color. So this is the wig. As you can see, this is the before. This was a blonde 613 wig, 18 inches, 13 by 4 frontal. I did get this wig from Amazon, very affordable and good quality as well. So let's just get straight into the video. I boiled my water first. I like to boil my water to have it really hot. I think that it helps remove the color a little bit better. But I just added my boiling water. This is my mane and tail, and this is my shampoo that I'm going to be using today. And I'm just going to be pouring a generous amount into that pan of my boiling water. This is the VO5 clarifying shampoo. I'm going to be using this as well, just to give it that extra lather, that extra, shampoo. This is Dawn dish detergent that I am going to be using. Yes, you are seeing right. Dish detergent. But it really works, so, don't knock it till you try it. I did pour, I tried to pour an equal amount of each product into the pan so that it's an even mixture. And this is my Arm & Hammer baking soda that I'm going to be using today. And what I was doing was I was trying to pour a little bit more baking soda than any other product in this, because I feel like the baking soda really helps strip that hair color from your wig or your bundles. Again, this method I only tried it on semi-permanent hair dye, so I'm not sure if this will work on permanent hair dye. But if you want to give it a try and, try it on permanent hair dye, let me know how that comes out. So I did mix up that mixture after I, added everything into that pan of hot water. I mixed everything up, and I did use a whisk. Now I'm taking my wig and I'm putting my wig into that hot water. I just wanted to make sure that my hair was fully saturated inside of that pan, that nothing was sticking out. You are working with different chemicals, so I do recommend you put on gloves, as I has on here in the video. And I was using my hand, but it's boiling water, so be careful. You can always just use something like a whisk that I'm using to push that hair down into. I did let it sit for 15 minutes, and this is after the first 15 minutes. As you can see, a lot did come out, but I wanted to go for another try, so I am just combing it through and squeezing out that excess water from that wig. Squeeze it all out. As you can see, it is you can see a difference from where the color first started, how that color looks now. Make sure you pour out that old water and get ready for your new batch of water and just another mixture to soak your hair. I just wanted to show you guys how the hair looks second time. So now this is the second time I'm going to be adding the mixture together, and I'm going to be doing another soak for an additional 15 minutes. I did like the result from the first time I soaked it, but I did want to remove a lot more color, so that's why I'm going in with the second time. Again, for this video, I'm using Dawn dish detergent, and I'm using the mane and tail shampoo. I'm using clarifying shampoo from VO5, and I am using my baking soda. So I do put a lot more baking soda than any other product. And make sure when you are mixing it up together, make sure you mix it up thoroughly so that all of the products are blended together, and you get that. You don't want too much of one product. No, excuse me, you don't want that your product not to be mixed up properly, so make sure you mix it up really good. This is optional. You don't have to go in for a second time soak if you are satisfied with the first results from the soak. But I just wanted to move more colors, so that is what I'm doing. I'm going in with a second soak because I am trying to achieve. I may not get blonde, like a platinum blonde, but I'm trying to go lighter, to maybe a lighter blonde. That's what I'm trying to achieve. So I'm going to just put my wig back into that mixture, and I'm just going to be, again, making sure my wig is down into the, into the mixture. I am, wringing it up and down just to make sure that hair is fully saturated with all of the product. Push it down with your tool. Make sure you don't burn yourself. This is boiling water, ladies and gentlemen. And I am going to let this sit for 15 minutes as well. I think that, and you can actually see the color coming off as I'm doing this, as I'm bringing it up and down. So I thought that helped, and I just took my comb and I'm just going to be combing it through. Make sure you comb it through as you soaking it each time as well, because you don't want your hair to get tangled in any type of way. You want your hair to still be good quality. This is 613 blonde hair, so this hair is already bleached and processed a lot. So you just want to take your time with your hair, and yeah, just be gentle. Take your time. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is after the second. So as you can see, a lot of color was removed. Look inside of the pan. You can see how dark that water is inside of that pan. It looks, it looks blue. The color, that's not the color that my hair was. My hair wasn't blue. It was like a platinum blonde mixed with another blonde. I'm sorry, another gray. But this is how it looks after the second soak. I was making sure I wring all of that product out of that hair. And I was satisfied with the hair and how it came out for the second soak. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be just thoroughly rinsing that hair through. So as you can see, I didn't do another mixture, but it's a lot of, product still coming out of the hair. Make sure you get your comb it through thoroughly. Just take your time so that, again, your hair does not tangle during this process. If you do try this method, let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys also think about this video. I hope it was helpful for someone. So this is after I rinsed out the hair. I am wringing the hair out. Make sure everything is out. This is the finished product. I hope this video helps someone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning into my videos, and go check out some more of my other videos I have posted here. I got some heat on this channel, and stay tuned for more videos. So this is a little close-up on how the hair looks wet, and this is how it looks dry. After everything is dry, I did let my hair sit overnight to dry. I did not use any type of blow dry. I wanted to air dry, so less damage and less heat damage. Connect with me on my other social media platforms. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. Bye.